to another walk. Today we're at Box Hill. We're going to have a little stroll around, see what's here. Absolutely glorious day. I've already done a cycling video. If you haven't caught my cycling video yet, it's on my other channel, which I will link to up there. Looks a bit spooky in there, doesn't it? With this being National Trust land, plenty of walkers, cyclists and all sorts. It's always nice to see. I don't think I've ever come across well, not in Lincolnshire anyway, a place where there is so many walkers. This place is absolutely jam-packed full of them. Managed to buy myself some shoes, some walking shoes that is. Picked them out, tried them on, lovely fit, nice and comfy. Put them in a box. Paid for them, drove home. Didn't bother getting them out until I wanted to actually pack and come out for today. Realised that the shop had given me two right shoes, so I've got two right shoes, not a left and a right, two rights. So yeah, that's no good. I decided to be a rebel, even though I paid up with the All Trails app. I'm a pro member now. I'm not using it. There's just paths everywhere on this National Trust, so I thought I'd just grab one and just follow it really. I better push on because there's some stepping stones apparently on this this little walk. And dying to find them, so let's go on and find out what else we can explore with. I think we're near the bottom, which is good, but it does mean one major bad thing. We got to get all the way back up to the top again. Now, if it's as steep as that going up, I might be struggling. Something tells me we've got to climb this this little hill. This is Box Hill all over again. Wow. I do believe we're going to be coming up with some stepping stones soon. It must be quite soon before I think we make the climb up to the top of Box Hill. We'll see. Gone past the stepping stones. The pictures make it look really pretty. It is nice. It isn't as nice as the pictures though. Still good fun, but yeah, it's another case of expectation meets reality. to say this climb is on the steep. Lots of steps though, thank God. I'm not going to lie, that was harder than cycling up Box Hill, and I did it twice. Wow, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you very much for viewing today. If you like what you see, please do click like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video, which possibly could be the Peak District. Maybe. See you in a bit. Bye bye.